thanks every friend you meet. Thank you, loud and clear. Kind words bring happy cheer. Every smile begins to grow when gratitude we show. Excuse me if I pass by. Kind words help us all get by. Being polite is fun to do. Everyone smiles at you. Share your toys and share your fun. Playing together, everyone. Helping friends is always nice. Sharing is a lovely prize. One by one we wait our turn. That's a lesson we can learn. Patient hearts are kind and true. Help your family every day. Helping hands can brighten days. Big or small, we all can care. Kindness is for all to share. Sit up nicely, chew your food. Table manners are so good. Use kind words at every meal. That's the caring way to feel. Pick up toys when play is done. Cleaning up is part of fun. Everything goes back in place. Happy smiles on every face. Kind words make our hearts so bright. Helping others feels just right. Laugh together, sing and play. Choose to be kind every day. Every friend is special too. Kindness starts with me and you. Listen well and always care. Love and kindness everywhere. Good manners make the world so bright, filling hearts with pure delight. Ruby smiles with all her friends. Kindness never ends. Please and thank you every day. Helping others on the way. Sharing love with everyone. Learning manners can be fun. Ruby waves and says goodbye with a smile beneath the sky. Be kind every single day. See you soon, hip hip hooray. Kind hearts make the world shine bright. See you next time with delight.